In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image inside text using PowerPoint 2013, a handy trick for creating eye-catching slides that stand out. Whether you're designing a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, this technique will add a touch of creativity and professionalism to your slides. So, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it open already, just find the PowerPoint icon and click to launch the program. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to work on. You can do this by opening the file directly from its saved location, or by browsing through your recent documents in PowerPoint. After opening your presentation, locate the image you want to embed within your text. If the image isn't yet in your presentation, you'll need to insert it by going to the Insert tab on the ribbon, selecting Pictures, and choosing the image from your files. Once you have your image ready, click on it to select it. The next step is to create a text box. Still within the Insert tab, look for the text box option. Clicking on it will allow you to draw a new text box over your image. Click and drag on the slide to position your text box precisely where you'd like the text to appear, ensuring it overlaps your image. If you haven't already, type the text you want to display. This can be anything from a word or a phrase to a full sentence, depending on your design needs. Now, with your text box in place over the image, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While still holding Shift, click on both the text box and the image to select them simultaneously. You'll notice that both elements will have a border indicating they are selected and ready for the next steps. Once both items are selected, right-click to bring up a context menu. You'll see a range of options here, but what we're interested in is the Group function. By choosing Group, you effectively link the text box to your image. This lets you move, resize, or alter them as a single entity without losing the effect. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded text within an image using PowerPoint 2013. This technique can be leveraged in many creative ways across various projects, making your presentations more dynamic and visually appealing. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.